How to turn the screenshots to code using AI. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end to know. So how you can do that is you can follow the steps right here to convert your screenshots to code using an AI. So what you need to do is simply take the screenshot by tapping on the volume button and also your power button. Also, you can do it from the navigation bar above. And after taking the screenshot, use OCR to extract the text. What you need to do is OCR technology can recognize and extract the text from images for some popular OCR tools included like Tesseract, an open source OCR engine. The next is Google Vision API and the Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services as well. The OCR process upload the screenshot to the OCR tool and the tool will process the image and extract the text from there. Review the extracted text for the accuracy as well. And now you are done. Use the AI code generation, that is optional. If you want to enhance or modify the extracted code, you can use AI models like OpenAI's Codex as well. So there are also other tools and resources by which you can do, but like Google API Vision API as well and the Microsoft Azure OCR as well. There is some steps that you need to follow, which you can simply search for it and you will see the steps right there as well. And also there are some languages like Python and C programming that can help you do that as well. But this is a little difficult, so I would suggest you to use this Google Vision API, Tesseract, OCR, and other options that can make your screenshot change into code. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.